Hi Glam girls, soft eye glam look only for you guys. So I've taken a orange or a peachy eyeshadow like so, and we are making it all over the crease. So it's a beautiful eyeshadow. This is between orange and peach, the color. So this is giving us a base for any colors to come. So now taking a beige eyeshadow, you can use concealer as well, yeah, but a beige eyeshadow will give a quick, easy fix. So what this does is it gives some width to the eyes between the eyebrows and our eyes. So they make the eyes look fuller and bigger. Then we're taking a nice mauve glittery eyeshadow and going from the inner corner to the outer corner. It's already started looking so nice. It's still soft glam, so nothing very bulky, but a very soft light eyeshadow. So we're just gonna put that from the inner corner to the outer corner like so. It's already started to look a soft glam. Now I've taken a little bit of gold eyeshadow. It's again on the softer side. It's a mix between orange and gold. So it's not very bulky again. It's quite light. Very light eyeshadow. So I'm again rubbing it from the inner corner of the eye to the outermost corner. As you can see. So the eyeshadows are done. It's so pretty. Now I'm going in with an eyeliner. This is not a liquid one. This is a normal eyeliner, like a kajal pencil. You can also use kajal pencil here. So doesn't matter if it's not perfect because we're going to smudge this anyway. Because I'm creating a soft glam look, not a bold one. You can also leave it like that depending on your mood that day. But obviously for me, I wanted a very, very soft glam. So I'll be smudging that around. So let's see if I can find the brush and let's smudge it down. So see, we have to give a very, very quick strokes to do so. So it's not going everywhere. Sometimes it does. So make sure the strokes are really very, very quick. And then you'll get it perfect. And making it from the outer corner, just make it like as if you're applying an eyeliner. It'll smudge with a nice wing at the end. The wing's not too big in this case, in this time. So I'm already started to liking the look. I'm finishing off now with mascara. This is my favorite mascara from Estee Lauder. Because my eyelashes are big, it gives me just the right amount of product. I don't overdo it, just lightly. Very, very lightly, as you can see. So little goes a long way. This is the finished look. I hope you like it. Bye for now. See you in the next video.